Ever pondered what makes a morning drink crucial for your health? Well, it's about time we unravel this mystery. The dawn breaks and a brand new day begins. A moment of tranquility, a time to nourish your body. This is where the role of a healthy morning drink comes into play. It kickstarts your metabolism, hydrates your body, and infuses you with vital nutrients. Now imagine having a morning drink that's not just healthy, but also delicious and easy to prepare. Sounds tempting, right? Introducing the Green Goddess Smoothie, a powerhouse of nutrients and flavors, and your perfect companion to start the day. This smoothie is packed with the goodness of spinach, avocado, banana, and coconut water. Now let's dive into how to concoct this magic potion. First off, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fresh spinach, half a ripe avocado, 1 ripe banana, and 1 cup of coconut water. Begin by washing and draining the spinach leaves. Next, slice the avocado in half, discard the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Peel the banana and chop it into chunks. Now it's blending time. Place the spinach, avocado, and banana into a blender. Pour in the coconut water, which acts as a natural sweetener and an excellent source of hydration. Fire up the blender and let it whirl until the mixture turns into a creamy and smooth texture. If you find the consistency too thick, feel free to add more coconut water. And there you have it, the Green Goddess Smoothie, ready to be served and savored. This vibrant green smoothie is not just a treat to your taste buds, but also a nourishing feast for your body. Just to recap, a healthy morning drink like the Green Goddess Smoothie can be a game changer in your daily routine. This smoothie, packed with the goodness of spinach, avocado, banana, and coconut water, provides you with essential nutrients and hydration. Preparing it is a breeze. Simply blend together spinach, avocado, banana, and coconut water until smooth. Remember, the best way to ensure a healthy day is to start it off right. And what better way to do that than with a glass of this green goodness? So next time the morning sun greets you, greet it back with the Green Goddess Smoothie. Cheers to health.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.